wish. How are you, Nightmare? Nightmare, how are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Okay, you said in Islam, a man is allowed to get married with his own daughter.
Yes, not married, to have sex with her.
Just to have sex with her.
Yes, not to marry her.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you want to challenge me?
Yeah, but if you stay with me, don't run away.
Okay. Now, if I show you the proof, what you will do?
Show me the proof.
No, I want you to make a promise. I want you to make
which you don't understand.
Listen. You are the one who called me, and you are the one who challenged me, and now I accept your challenge. But now the challenge, all this effort I will do, if I show you that your prophet and your religion and your Muslims and your Quran is a book of faith, and you challenge me to show you that, what you will do if I show you? I want from you a return, a promise. Are you going to say? Are you going to accept that whoever believe in this? I'm not going to ask you to insult your prophet. No. Are you willing to say whoever believe in this garbage is a filthy, disgusting creature?
Of course.
Okay, thank you, guys. Of course, Mr. Nightmare, he said that he made a promise. Let us go for the promise I made to prove my point. Here we go. Read with me, please. Do you see the screen?
Yes.
All right. Read with me, please. قوله تعالى نسبا وصهرا. النسب والصهر معنيان يعمان كل قربة تكون بين آدميين. Translate, please.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, you translate it, because I want your translation so people will not say I'm making things up. Please go ahead.
No, you translate. If you make if something I don't agree, then I can.
All right. When Allah he said, this is the interpretation. When Allah he said, نسبا وصهرا. النسب والصهر معنيان يعمان كل قربة تكون بين آدميين. They are saying, Allah he said that lineage and marriage, it is a meaning of anything having happened between two people in lineage, between two human beings. قال ابن العربي he said النسب عبارة عن خلط الماء بين الذكر والأنثى على وجه الشرع. The word nasab mean lineage is a statement mean the mixing of the water between the male and the female according to the Sharia law. This is what lineage mean. And then he continues saying فإن كان بمعصية كان خلقا مطلقا ولم يكن نسبا محققا. And if it was against the Sharia, which means adultery, it is just a creation and it is not an absolute lineage. And then he says وَلِذَلِكَ لَمْ يَدْخُلْ تَحْتَ قَوْلِهِ. And this is why is not considered under his command or his statement, which means Allah's statement حُرِّمَتْ عَلَيْكُمْ أُمَّهَاتُكُمْ وَبَنَاتُكُمْ بِنْتُهُ مِنَ الزِّنَا. And this is why it is not considered under his statement. It's forbidden for you, your mothers and your daughter. And he continues saying بِنْتُهُ مِنَ الزِّنَا, his daughter from adultery, لأنها ليست ببنت له في أصح القولين لعلمائنا وأصح القولين في الدين. Because, and the reason she is not considered as forbidden for him, which means to sleep with her, because she is not considered as his daughter according to the most accurate scholars and the most accurate opinion of the religion. وإذا لم يكن نسب شرعا فلا صهر شرعا. And if there is no relationship or lineage by Sharia law, so it is not forbidden for him. فلا يحرم الزنا ببنت ولا بنت. So it's not forbidden for him to do fornication with his daughter and the mother of his daughter. وما يحرم من الحلال لا يحرم من الحرام. And what is forbidden from halal is not forbidden from what is haram. Now I get you busted, apologize, and say that you Muslims are disgusting creatures by believing in this as you promised me.
Okay.
No, don't tell me aha. Don't tell me aha. I just prove it to you. It's in front of your eyes. Did I lie? First of all, did I lie?
But the translation is not correct.
I told you to translate, a coward. You said to me, if I say any mistake in the translation, you correct me right away.
Let me show you. Okay?
No. You are a liar. You are a liar. Okay, I want you to swear. I want you to swear by Allah. I want you to swear by Allah first. Swear by Allah that you are going to give me the accurate translation.
Let me show you.
I want you to swear. No. I don't want that. I don't want that.
Let me show you.
I want you. Shut up. Shut up, coward. You made a promise. You made a promise. You are a liar. You are a liar. You made a promise. I asked you to translate yourself. You refuse, you coward. You refuse, you coward. And you said to me, if you say anything wrong, I will stop you. Everybody heard you. And I finished my statement. You said nothing. Now, I want you to translate from the beginning where I started. I'm not going to talk. You read and you translate. Go ahead.
Okay. Let me finish. Okay.
You start translating. Don't tell me finish. I want you to translate. Correct me. Start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
You did not understand what he said. He said it's not.
Coward.
You understand the sentence in Arabic.
Swear by Allah. I did lie in what I read. Swear by Allah.
I'm going to read to you when you made mistakes.
No, swear. If I'm lying anyway, what you will lose. You Muslims are allowed to swear. Swear by Allah.
I'm not saying you're lying. You made mistakes.
Shut up, idiot. So you admitted I did not make a lie. How come this time you did not say to me, I made a lie, I made a mistake? What mistake? Since when, Christian Prince, he made a mistake according to you? Either it's a lie or it is a mistake. You never said to me before I made a mistake. It was always supposedly a lie. Shut up and don't call me again. You got busted. Coward. What kind of a filthy religion saying such a thing that you can F your daughter if she is daughter from adultery?
You don't let me show you.
Why you don't keep your promise, you liar? I want you to swear. I want you to swear. Swear I did lie. Swear. No, I want you to swear I did lie. I want you to swear. Swear. Go ahead. Go ahead.
He said most of scholars believe.
Coward, you will not swear. I mean, why? You are allowed to swear lying. Because you know I'm telling the truth. Have you ever heard of a Muslim that want to swear that a Christian is lying? Why he don't want to do that? Why? I mean, I'm lying, obviously. What mistake? Obviously, I'm trying to deceive people here. What mistake? Since when you say to me you're making a mistake? It says it clearly. It is not under. ولذلك لم يدخل تحت قوله حرمت عليكم أمهاتكم. This is why it's considered not under Allah's statement. It's forbidden for you, your mothers and your daughter. بنته من الزنا. His daughter from the zina is not his daughter. So in Islam, it is forbidden for you to have sex with your daughter. Absolutely forbidden, yes, if she is a daughter from marriage. And if she is not daughter from marriage, he continues saying, فلا يحرم الزنا بنت ولا بنت. It is lawful for him, it's not haram, to have fornication with the daughter, which is his daughter, from that woman, and the mother of his daughter together. Imagine having sex with two women. One of them is your daughter and the other one is the mother of your daughter, but both, they are not from your family, which means the mother is not your wife. Just get lost, don't call me. I don't have time for kids. You are not a man enough, coward. I am a man. You Muslims are not. Cowards. I'm sure this guy, his mouth was open like, what the heck? As usual, they will say to me, I never heard this before. Have you ever heard of a Muslim? Listen to me. He did not say to me, I never heard this before. Because you Muslims are deaf, blind, stupid with your camel urine drink. You don't want to read, you don't want to see, you don't want to listen. And when we show you, you go in denial and you refuse to keep your promises. And where I'm reading from, this is the official Islamic government of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Let me show you the website, because the Abdul, they might say, oh, maybe this is Christian website, maybe this is Christian Prince website. Huh? It's a false website, brother. This is Quran.edu.sa. What does that mean? The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I made a mistake. I did not lie. Suddenly, you see? I made a mistake. This is such a stupid, filthy cult. Disgusting. You see, when the Bible in the Old Testament speak about two daughters of Lot, they have sex with their father. It is not God. He said to them, oh, you can have sex with your father. Oh, go and have sex with your father. This is what those two girls, they did. It is not God told them to do so. Here, this is, and the funny, the scholar saying, this is the most accurate opinion in Islam, and the most accurate according to the scholars and the religion. The most accurate, which means there is some Muslims don't agree with this because this is disgusting, but they are not accurate. And they are not the majority, they are little tiny minority. And now this guy, he will be in denial, saying to himself, what the heck? I'm not going to accept this. Why? Because there's some little dignity still exists in his ass. Saying to himself, there's no way I'm going to F my daughter. This is disgusting. But it is in the front of your eyes. And when I ask you to swear by Allah that I'm lying, you refuse, because you know I did not lie.